Good morning children, welcome to today's science class. Today's class will continue learning about water pollution. So previous class we learnt about what do you mean by water pollution and what are the different pollutants that is adding up that is causing the water pollution. Even we learnt about the river Yamuna, how it has become polluted because of the various pollutants added to that. So some of the pollutants, chemicals, pesticides, oil, paints, trash, garbage, so many things we are added to the river water when it is flowing, and by the time it is reaching the sea, it is mixed with different types of pollutants and it is becoming unfit for use. That's what we learn. So we will continue learning about that only children. So today the topic is effects of water pollution. How this water pollution, that is the harmful water, how it will affect the life of people, animals and the plants. So why about these children? Because we are the one using the pollute water. If the city, you are having a river like Yamuna and it is polluted, if suppose it is not at all clean, so how it will affect the life of the people, animals and plants? Why first of all it should affect them? Because we need water. Why do we need water children? At least for each we write two reasons, important reasons. See, why people need water? To drink, right? And to cook. So many you can add, to bath, to wash and all. Yes, so when we use the polluted water for drinking, what will happen to us? First of all, we will understand why we need the water. And why do animals need water children? Even they need water for drinking. They need water for bathing. Even you would have seen some of them live in the water only. They will swim and they will also play with the water. So that time by mistake if it is getting swallowed also, they will also suffer with some problems. So even you can add up some more. Keep the animals, people and plants. And why do we need water? First if you are able to understand, easily we can understand how it is going to affect us. And plants children, plants to make their food, and also to grow, right? They have to grow. When they make food and when they use it only they can grow. So all people, animals and plants need water. So suppose people are drinking the polluted water, animals are drinking polluted water, plants they are pulling that from the groundwater, they will pull it along with the chemicals what is mixed, and that is taken away. It has made the food, and that food is stored in the fruits, vegetables. Even that may also have the chemicals. Again, that if the food that the fruits and vegetables are eaten by people, that is also going to affect the people. Yes, so you can see the different words: effects, water, pollution. All these are the keywords. As I have told you, whichever is new word, that all has to be learned. So these all will affect. How it is going to affect children? Can you guess? So down to this you can write how it will affect the people, how it will affect the animals, how it will affect the plants. So that's what we will learn now. So we know that water is very important for plants, animals and people. So when we drink the polluted water, we may fall sick, get diseases, right? Like jaundice and all diseases. We may get diseases and we may fall sick. And if continuously we are eating, it may lead to death also, we will not know. Even the animals also may fall sick, right? If you give the polluted water, and they may get different diseases, and slowly, so many years if they start drinking, they may also die because of the polluted water. Plants children, so they will pull that water, and they will not grow well. And they will not do the not give healthy fruits. So that should have the different nutrients, right? Not give healthy fruits or vegetables or whatever we need. And they may not grow well only, they may also slowly in course of time, if it is an aquatic plant, some plants live in the water only, if the water is completely polluted, full of dirt, they will not get the air also to breathe and they may die. So this is the adverse effects of the water pollution. Water pollution is causing so much effect on people, animals and the plants. They may get the different diseases and it may lead to Then, so by now, what is water pollution, children? The dirty water. What is making the water dirty? Pollutants. Even see, from our home, wastewater also sometimes will get mixed. Wastewater means from the drainage. That is also getting mixed with the water, and that is how water is getting dirty. So just let us write what all are the, down to this, when you write how it is going to affect, just we will recall how it is going to, what all are the different pollutants which will make the water dirty. Then you will understand chemicals. So when many chemicals are added, so they will cause so many diseases to people, animals and plants. And also wastewater. These all are the keywords, children. Wastewater, that drainage water that is having so many impurities, that is also going to cause oil, paint and pesticides. So many things you can, pesticides are they are used to kill the pests, but they will mix with the water and even mud. We did the activity and you understood. So when we did the activity, so the water is mixed with this all chemical, wastewater, oil, paint, pesticide. But what type of water we need for drinking, children? What type of water we need? We need clean water which has no smell, no color, no taste and also free from germs. Then it is like this all mixed. What will be the color of the water? Different colors. And also they will breed the mosquitoes, and they will, when mosquitoes are there, that place will be how much dirty, they will be smelling, and they will pollute the nature, complete nature surrounding, even land, everything is polluted, and plants living on that or near to that, in this or near to that may die, and the animals living in the water, so much dirt is there, they may also die, polluted water, and people drinking also will get different types of diseases. So how we can understand it clearly? See, apart from the pictures what I have added in the video, you can see in your textbook page number 101, polluted water makes us ill. You see that 101, you can see the pictures, how mosquitoes are bred and how the dirty water is causing so much of smell surrounding. So such type of surroundings, whatever it is there, any living thing, plants or animals or people who use it will definitely get the diseases. So connected to this, there is a small interesting part. Actually, that is the activity for your S3 children. You can take open your workbook. You will see the take open workbook, children. Yeah, children. In your workbook, 42 page number, there is a S3 I am talking about. Pollution affects us. So it is going to affect us in different ways. So now read the text and answer the questions below. They have given one text. How it is means, see, if you read that the water in a pond or river, you all know that it will go up and again come back. That is called water cycle. So it is maintained. Who is maintaining? Nature is maintaining. But who are polluting? Human beings. So it is our duty to stop it. So regarding that, there is one, you have the two paragraphs. You read that paragraph, children, and you can try to answer the 4 questions. The important thing given here is what are the polluted water will carry and how it is affecting the plants, animals and the people who are drinking it. See, just 1 or 2 lines I'll read. Trash, plastic, chemicals and oil, these are the pollutants, are dumped in rivers. Yes, and they are mixing. If water is dirty, plants pull dirty water through their roots from the groundwater. Polluted water cause many problems. Yes, animals can fall sick, plants will not grow well, and mosquitoes will breed and they will spread different types of diseases. It is given, once again you read that. First question you teach them. How does polluted water harm plants? So plants will pull the polluted water and they may not grow well, and they may not give healthy fruits or vegetables, and they may die also. That you can write on your own. How does polluted water harm animals? If animals drink the polluted water, they may fall sick, they may fall ill. How does polluted water harm people? People drink polluted water, they will get different diseases. Yes, like jaundice, typhoid and all. How does polluted water harm nature? So how it is going to harm the nature? The bad smell spread surrounding. So that may spoil the beauty of the nature, and this is going to affect the so many things. If the different animals are dying, that is going to plants are dying, the food chain also is going to affect it. It will cause so many problems on the nature. So 1 or 2 you think and you can write on your own. Second question you see children. What can you do to help reduce water pollution? So what is our role to stop the water pollution? Part of the lesson is purifying water. So what do you mean by that? Cleaning the water and making it fit for and safe for drinking and also for using. Drinking and also for using for various purposes. That is called purifying. So without purifying, if you do, now you know that how it is going to affect us and we may get the different diseases. So purifying is very important. Why? Because we need a water which has no color, no taste, no smell and no germs. So that we can use it and we can avoid the waterborne diseases. So how are we doing at home? You all said you are getting the tap water and you collected also different samples, no, that activity. What method are they following? There are different methods children to filter the water. Maybe they are using water filters. Even water filters also are of different types. Some homes they will be depending upon the water what you are getting. See, even we learnt about that river to home, how the government is cleaning and sending. So depending upon the water what you are getting, maybe in your home they will be using water filters. It may be RO, means it is having reverse osmosis and all. That is that type of water filters, are a simple water filter with candle, or they may be using the method called boiling. Just they will boil and they will. So water filters may be of different types, and also we may use these two definitely. We will follow either boiling or using water filters to get the water, clean drinking water. So boiling. Why? First we will talk about boiling. Why boiling is preferred by most of the people? Why? Because boiling will kill the germs. Even sometimes they will use the purification tablets. That is the chlorine tablets they will use. Depending, as I told you, depending upon the water what you are getting, they may use the purification tablets also. Yes. So now boiling. Why boiling children? Boiling is preferred. Even villages or anywhere you go, people boil and drink. Why? Because this will kill the germs. And here also in filter, as I told you, different things will be there in a filter, like sand, gravel and all. In your textbook, you have a simple water filter picture, so you can see that and you can also try to do that. That is how that if you open your textbook, see here, how to get a clean, here you see. So how does water filters work? So water filters you can see here even you have a simple water filter to understand. Just I am saying, in page number 104 you have a simple water filter. It will have the gravel, charcoal and sand. So even the cloth. Finally see, in some homes they will keep the pot and just they will filter with the, like a sieve, they will keep the cloth and they will filter. And the sand, gravel and charcoal in the filters, they will clean the water and they will give you a clean water for use. But when we boil the water, the germs present in that will get killed. And even the filters what we have, AquaGuard like that and all, there are also so many different processes takes place inside that for killing germs, for purifying, and then we will get the purified water that is fit for drinking. So the purification tablets also will almost they will do the all this work and they will make the water fit for drinking. As I told you, the type of water what we are getting at home, accordingly we can follow any one method and we can purify water and we can drink. In your textbook you have the clear pictures of you can see the filter. Maybe you are using this type of filter. See, filter, boiling and the tablet. These three you can see and even draw, and you can write which method you are following or why you are following, that can be written children. So now purifying, this by purifying water. So purifying water can be done, that is fit for using by using water filters, either by boiling or purification you can do. In boiling, as we are supplying heat, the water becomes very hot and the germs gets killed. Now let us move on to the S4 children. You can take open your S4 and we'll see what is given in S4. Purifying water, you please write the date. First question you see children, what does water purification means? Making water safe for use, right? Making water safe for use is called purification. Second question, list the different ways by which we can purify water. 3 ways we saw, no children, you can write boiling, filtering, and using purification tablets, right? Yeah. Next, how do you purify water at home? That you have to find out from your kitchen and ask your parents, and you have tried either what type of either filtering or using tablets or what type you are doing, you have to find out. 4th question you see, children. If you had to use the water from a river nearby, how would you purify the water before drinking? So you are getting a water from nearby river. How will you purify it, children? What can be done, children? Yes, directly we can't use, right? I am talking about the 4th question. How can we purify? So we can filter and boil the water before drinking. Yes, no children. Now, 5th question. Ram went camping with his friends. They needed drinking water. They got some water from the river nearby, but needed to purify it. What can they do? So they are in the camp. So he cannot use the boiling method. Now camp he can't, maybe stove is there, vessels are there. So what he can do? In such a situation he can, very good, he can use the purification tablet. So you can write Ram can use the purification tablet. Yes, children, so purification tablet. So today's the first part activity is only your S3, completing of S3, reading this text and completing. How does polluted water harm nature? As I told you, it may kill it will spread you can see your textbook and you can find out some points and you can do on your own. This is for you. That is the activity part I am giving you. Second one, I already somehow help you to write. Then the S4 though, I already written. So in the S4, drawing the 3 different methods of purifying water, you complete, and these 2 work you complete in the notebook. You can S3 you will complete, and this drawing you can do in your science notebook. By now the block 16 is completed. So you read the lesson 2 to 3 times and complete S3, S4 and try to answer the backside questions and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.